If you're new to MLSImport and trying to figure out how this actually works, you're in the right place. MLSImport is a WordPress plugin that connects your website directly to your MLS using a RESO Web API connection. And that part matters, because MLSImport does not show listings from our servers, it does not use iframes, and it does not embed someone else's IDX system into your site. Instead, it imports MLS listings directly into your website as real WordPress content using your real estate theme. Once a listing is imported, it's published on your site and becomes part of your WordPress database. You manage it the same way you manage any other property inside your WordPress real estate theme. Before MLSImport can work, there are a few things you need in place. First, you must be a member of an MLS that offers RESO Web API access. Second, you need API credentials, which you obtain directly from the MLS-supported API provider. And third, you need a compatible WordPress real estate theme installed. This WordPress plugin works with these real estate themes: WPR Residence, Houses, and Real Homes. These themes handle property pages, search, filters, and design. The plugin cannot provide the properties or any data, and it cannot issue API credentials. Those are always issued to you as the member in a specific brokerage or in direct contact with your multiple listing service. Your theme controls how listings look. It controls search behavior, layouts, pages, and the overall user experience. MLSImport's role is different. The plugin follows the RESO standard, helps you add listings into WordPress, and keeps everything in sync over time. The plugin handles the data, the theme handles the presentation. They work together, but they do very different jobs. Inside the MLSImport plugin, the first step is connecting to your multiple listing service. You select your multiple listing service, add the API credentials you received, and once that connection is approved, MLSImport can read data from your listing feed. It's designed to work with the most common RESO Web API servers, so your MLS data is read in a structured, predictable format. That's what allows you to see MLS fields, map them to your theme fields, and choose exactly which properties you want to import. And this is important to understand. The connection is direct. The data flows between your website and your MLS API server, not through MLSImport servers. That's when importing begins. Listings are imported using import tasks that you create. An import task defines what listings you want on your site. For example, only active listings, only your office listings, listings from specific cities or price ranges, or listings for a specific agent. You can even import individual listing IDs. You can create one import task or multiple import tasks. It depends entirely on how you want your website organized. Once the import tasks are set, you run the import and the listings are added to your site. After that, MLSImport keeps everything updated automatically. If a price changes, the listing updates. If the status changes, the listing updates. And if a listing is removed from the MLS, it can also be removed from your site. That's how your website stays aligned with the multiple listing service you get the data from without manual work. In the next videos, we'll walk through each step in detail so you can get the most out of the MLSImport plugin. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.